Hi, this is Amanda Hughes, and we're going to be talking about virtual reality in the social studies classroom. Just a quick overview. Very recently, our fifth grade classes changed their format, and with that change came some difficulties in the social studies classroom, specifically for engaging learners of a variety of different abilities. And so we feel that virtual reality is going to be a great way to bridge between students who can and can't read and to get everybody engaged in our social studies lessons. So, in a quick overview of what virtual reality could look like, it is a computer application that gives students a 3D experience. This could be utilized with a computer screen or a tablet screen, or we could go a little bit bigger and use 3D goggles or some other kind of hardware to really engage the students. We can visit museums, historic landmarks, and even go underwater. Our district is looking to actually use more VR, specifically with Nearpod. Our students are already familiar with this resource and use it on a basic level. 60% of Nearpod students are already using VR within the lessons, but this VR is just straight on the screen. Now we want to enhance their learning experience with that higher level technology and bring in more of the eyewear for them to use. This would benefit our students in many ways. The biggest is that when we make it a little bit more memorable, they're more engaged, and we have that better outcome. There's also a huge benefit to our special education population as well as our CBAP population. It does not replace the amazing lessons the teacher has already created. In fact, it just enhances that lesson that we are already doing. What are some of the potential issues? Well, with all good things do come problems. There could be a bit of an equity issue among the classrooms. Not all the teachers are going to be comfortable with this new technology right away, and it could seem unfair if one room is using VR on a weekly basis while another room is using VR on a monthly basis. There could be some serious pushback from teachers if this is just one more thing they have to learn. And parents could perceive this as more screen time and be opposed to something that puts their children in front of a computer screen more. What is the cost? Well, it could actually be completely free for our district. Nearpod advertises that schools that have their full subscription can get the headsets at no cost. And the headsets are compatible with the technology we already have in place within our school. However, some things might be too good to be true, and we need to look a little deeper. So if needed, we could access Google Cardboard, which is a do-it-yourself headset that integrates your own smartphone for a virtual reality experience. If we needed to do a little bit more shopping, other headsets cost between $25 and $100, and depending on our needs, we might be able to outfit our students. We would suggest about 5 per classroom for centers and rotations. Training. The tech team will need to participate in some training. Part of the pluses of this particular pilot program is that we really only need about 10 teachers to buy in at the 5th grade level at first. So if we could get these 10 teachers trained well, their excitement can spread to the other teachers. Nearpod would actually require very little training due to the fact we've already been using it for so long. So any trainings that we would do could focus on simply training the new teachers on the use of Nearpod. The tech team may require training for troubleshooting issues with the headgear and the connections to the computer and network. However, reviews show that there are very few issues. VR has been a little slower to take off in education due to budget restrictions and some critics. But it has shown a steady growth economically as more schools are beginning to buy in. So I think it's time that we catch up and really engage our students with a virtual reality experience to help them learn and understand their social studies lessons better. The students, they buy in immediately. They are hooked and they want to learn more. So I hope that we can help support our students and support our new virtual reality program. Thank you and have a great day.